running Dodge Street, like always, summer night, running nice, cool night, you know, running. And I think it's at 76th and Dodge. We're going west.
What are you driving?
I'm driving the Mustang, 390 4-speed Mustang convertible.
67?
67, disc brake, still got her. 3 1/4 gear, 335 horse. And I pull along, I'm in the curb lane, I pull right alongside this poppy red 66 fastback. It had 271 flags on it, hypo flags on it, you know, and this guy's got this good looking gal. And I'm right, of course I got my driver's side and she's sitting right, she's 5 feet away, good looking. So I kind of casually said something like, race you for your date. Just kidding, kind of, you know. Anyway, the light changes and we're off. And I'm in that 335 horse Mustang, ain't no 289's gonna run with it. You know, they run good, but I mean, come on. So if I'm out ahead a little bit, I'll shift. It'll only go 5,000 anyway. I'd shift at 46 maybe. Power shifting that damn thing, it'd go nuts. Torque, you know, and just blew him off. Blew him off. So at the next light, here he comes, you know, mad as hell. You know, kind of embarrassed the guy, you know, whatever, in front of his date. You know, he's gonna open up his headers, you know. I think he was gonna call Santa Claus. I don't know where he was going, but he ain't getting it done. And I just kind of went like, heck with you, you know. And so that's my story.